Hello, students, and welcome back to beginner level ESL class. We have been working on location, and we learned some key vocabularies in the previous video. And today we're going to learn one preposition on. Preposition on today, okay? So this will be a lecture video. All right. So I'm your teacher Coco, and let's get into it. All right. So let's take a look at this handout. When we describe the location of the item or a person, it depends. Items are things because I'm in the office. You can only find items that's related to the office. This is also an item and this is a person, right? I am not an item, I'm a person, right? Or if I have more people, then that would be people. So it depends, right? But it doesn't matter if it's an item or a person. We can use preposition on to describe something that is touching the surface of other thing and being on top of flat surface, okay? As explained in this worksheet, on is used when the item is resting on top of a flat surface. And it's important that the item is physically touching the surface. What does it mean by physically touching? Physically touching is that it is touching, right? It is on my hand. Oh, I just said on, but it is on my hand. Now it's not touching my hand, so it's not on my hand. Now it's physically touching. It is touching my hand. You see? That's why you can use on, okay? And it has to be physically touching. That's the important part. Okay, take a look at key points over here. I want you to look at those two pictures. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see this well. Whoa. Okay. So what is happening? Number one, we have a table and we have a book. A table and a book. Book is physically touching the table. How would you explain this? A book is on the table. We can say that. Okay, let me move this around. A book is on the table, just like this down here. A book is on the table, right? Because book is physically touching the table, a book is on the table. Number two, next one. We have a pen on the table, right? Or the pen is physically touching the table. That's why number two would be a pen is on the table. A pen is on the table, okay? Because those two items are physically touching the table, we can use the preposition on to describe it. I want you to take a look at this image over here. Here on number one, a book is physically touching the table. A book is on the table. Same thing for number two. A pen is physically touching the table. A pen is on the table. Okay? So that's one way to use preposition to describe the place and location of the item. Okay? All right. Now, I want you to take time after this video to do this exercise. Exercise 2. It says with your classmate, but it's okay. You can do it on your own. You can also do it with your family member, friends, whoever you'd like to. And I want you to point at things on the table to describe item by using on. For example, if I have, let's see, if I have my phone on the table right here, I don't know if you can see it well. If you have a phone on the table, you can say, my phone is on the table. Just like that, you can explain what is happening there. If you have a pen maybe a red pen, then you can say, the red pen is on the table. I want you to use this complete sentence form to describe what is on the table. It's all up to you. And since you're doing this on your own on the video, you're watching this video and you doing this on your own, I want you to write it down here in this area of white area. I want you to write it. For example, I have my phone on the table. I can write my phone is on the table. Great. Just write one sentence in there for me and then come to the class next time or show that to me, okay? Otherwise, that will be it for today's lesson. Please do the exercise 2 and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.